The R1 Retinol Oil is the ultimate anti-aging facial oil serum to erase damage and help you regain your fresh and radiant look. A win-win for dry skin made for dry, combo, and sensitive skin types. The Night R1 Facial Oil delivers maximum hydration, repairs damage, and reduces signs of aging. Stands out from the rest. Unlike traditional retinol products, the Night R1 Facial Oil won't cause redness, peeling, or flaking. Easy to use, a simple addition to your nighttime skincare routine. Simply apply the Night R1 Facial Oil to cleansed skin and follow with your favorite moisturizer and eye cream. Soothing citrus scent. This all-natural scent is the perfect way to unwind and end your day. ALANA'S Multi-Faceted Skincare Ideology, skincare products that do what they're supposed to, high-quality ingredients that have been hand-selected by Alana herself, product quality that surpasses its price tag. You'll fall in love with how you look and feel. Alana's multifaceted skincare ideology is an ode to you. You spoke, and I listened. With Alana Mitchell Skincare, my promise to you is simple: to offer the highest quality products that will cause you to look and feel beautiful. For a serum designed with your needs in mind, try the Alana Mitchell Night R1 Facial Oil. Retinol repairs aging overnight. The Alana Mitchell Night R1 Facial Oil goes to work while you're asleep to deliver hydration and plump skin so you'll wake up glowing. 100% natural ingredients to form retinol, jojoba, rosehip seed, avocado, and coconut oil effectively nourish your complexion. A rejuvenated look. Retinol and coenzyme Q10 reduce signs of aging such as dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles for noticeably brighter skin. The best in quality, this lightweight formula is easily absorbed, free of artificial fragrances and parabens, and is not tested on animals. Try this remarkable product ASAP. If you don't notice a positive change in your skin after using the Alana Mitchell Night R1 Facial Oil, you'll receive a refund. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.